Yo, what's up, bro? I just wanted to show you this magnetic right angle plug, USB Type-C. It's a GoPro 13 with the media mod. So it's got the microphone. It's GoPro Lite, Gorilla Pod magnetic. That's just to make these in all sorts of colors, these mounts right here. But this is what I wanted to show you, is this right here. This little plug right here, you can glue that to the side of your camera. You can glue that in, and then you have your magnetic breakaway. It holds on real well. That way if someone grabs your shit, it doesn't get fucked up. But yeah, that's what's up, bro. Stick that back on there. Plug that back in. Right back to where it was. And if you glue that little magnetic piece in, then in a situation where this gets yanked off, then there won't be any damage at all to your camera. You even weatherproof it by gluing it in. I'm not sure how weatherproof this itself would be, but that's what's up. It's my idea. Peace out, bro.